Stop jumping between programs and finally streamline your website design with the powerful pairing of Adobe XD and Dreamweaver. First, let's imagine your design is complete. In Adobe XD here we have our website layout. Notice the clean interface and how each element is well defined, ready for development. To get this into Dreamweaver, we'll start by using the share feature in Adobe XD. Click Publish Prototype, and in the Publish option, ensure the style guide and design assets are included, as this will make your life far easier down the line. Publishing your design will generate a shareable link for your colleagues or design team. Select Design Specs to get all the details. Copy your design specs link so that your developer can use it later. Now, we can flip back to Dreamweaver. Inside Dreamweaver, we start by creating a new site. Configure your site settings, then create a new HTML file where the XD design will be integrated. In the Files panel, you'll arrange your HTML files accordingly. Now, find the Insert tab in your Dreamweaver panel. Here, you can add elements such as images, text areas, and more to build your website. But the real magic is integration. Go to the Asset panel. If it's not already open, you can open it from the Window tab, which includes your visual elements, images, graphics, and the color palettes. From your XD design, import your assets, place them, and the foundation of your website is nearly complete. The beauty is all your design work lives here. And just like that, you can see your Adobe XD design come to life inside Dreamweaver, ready for development. This seamless integration makes collaboration streamlined. That's how you put the pieces together and bring your dream website to life.